Hi friends, whenever I have a conversation with parents, I usually ask them what qualities or attributes you would like your children to have now and in the future. One of the most common responses I would often receive is to be responsible. I believe responsibility doesn't just happen by itself. Children need to be taught, coached, and learned. Of course, it's quite challenging and time consuming. Yes, friends, in this video, I am going to share with you some tips and tricks which will enable you to make your child responsible. But before that, I am Ranjith Alphonse, licensed counselor psychologist. Let's get started. In every culture and family, children traditionally are esteemed high as an object of love, care, and attention of each one of us. They are perceived as concrete signs of blessings and as the beacons of hope for the future. Hence, we all want to raise responsible children. Unfortunately, kids are born with instincts, not with responsibilities. Teaching a child responsibility can help him grow into a sensible and dependable adult who is always accountable for himself and for his actions. How do we raise our kids to be responsible? Friends, here are 12 tips that will make your child more responsible. First, treat your child with respect. When you listen to them, accept them as they are. Surely they will behave better. Second, demonstrate the behavior that you want them to use. Lead by example. Third, work together with your child on behavior issues. Talk to them about what caused the bad behavior and what better ways you and your child could deal with it in the future. The fourth, let your child try to do new things. Watch over their efforts, and if they seem to be really struggling, ask if they would like your help. If they say no, sit back and let them keep trying until they succeed. Fifth, make sure that your child's needs are being met. Children will behave better if they are well fed and well rested. Provide a balanced diet, give them plenty of downtime away from screens. Promote exercises and give them a healthy bedtime. Sixth, recognize your child when they do a good job. This shows to them that you care about them and that you notice when they behave well. Consider both good results and good efforts. Seventh, give your child some chores to do. Making their bed, cleaning the room, doing the dishes, making lunch, feeding the cat, taking out the trash. Consider your child's abilities when assigning chores. Eighth, consider giving your child an allowance in exchange for chores. Positive incentives will teach several skills: reliability, responsibility, and budgeting time. Ninth, promote accountability to ensure responsibilities at least the next time. 10th, provide routine and structure. This will help them to develop study habits, grooming habits, and other life skills. 11th, don't rush to bail your child out of a difficult situations. Be available, but let him handle the problem himself. Whether it requires offering an apology or making amends in a more concrete way. 12th, create a no-blame household. Blaming makes everyone defensive. Instead, accept and grow positively. Dear friends, when kids develop personal responsibility, it gives them their best chance of avoiding many of the pitfalls in life. It makes them better able to deal with inevitable problems that arise in life. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. See you next. Thank you.